Hello there. So I have a keyboard switching thing over here, which switches between English and Russian for some reason. I don't need Russian. I don't know why it is there. I want to get rid of it, because if I press ALT+SHIFT, it switches to Russian, which I don't want. And perhaps in your case you have, let's say, 3 languages and 2 of them you want, but 1 you want to remove. So let's just press this language switcher and then press language preferences, which we can also reach by going to settings and then language, time and language over here, and then language. Yeah, same thing. Okay, we're gonna tell this to go away. And as you can see, I have only English, I don't have Russian. But the thing is, to get rid of Russian here, I would have to remove it here. Just as a test, let's add a different language. For example, yeah, Arabic, why not? Next. And we don't need a language pack, we only need the input language. So installing that. So we have these 2 languages here, and these 3 languages here. What is that about? Well, if we wanted to get rid of Arabic, we would just go here, and then we would press remove. And then it disappears in this list. So to get rid of a language that does not have an item here, you simply have to add it first. Add language, in my case, Russian. And then, I guess this one, yeah, Ruski, Russian. And then careful, press next, and make sure to disable handwriting, text-to-speech, install language pack, because these things take a lot of space and a lot of time to download and install, and you only need the input, which is, by selecting nothing here, you get the input of that language, the ability to type it. So press install. Now you have Russian here. The list is still 1, 2, 3, and now remove the language, and you have it gone. Very weird. I think it has to do with some kind of weird update procedure of Windows 10. Anyways, now it's gone, so that's good, right? Hope this helped. Let me know if you still have problems in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, ciao.